Okay, what's up, TikTok? Happy Sunday. These jobs are not secure. You must learn a skill that can make you money for a lifetime. Robots are taking over. This is why I say this. Here you see the main robot that's a waiter. They are using these now. It's taking over jobs. There's Target. They're using these in Walmarts as well. They're self-checkers. This is somebody's job. Here you have UNICEF robots packaging school kits. This is replacing somebody's job as well. Artificial intelligence is taking over. So that's the key. Here's a hostess job. And you already know billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk has been developing his own robots to do miscellaneous things in the office and also in the household. All this is just to say that you have to have a side hustle or learn another skill that's going to make you money outside of the work you do. It's okay to have a 9 to 5. Of course, use your 9 to 5 to foot your own dreams and your own business and gain money that way. You have to have multiple streams of income. Of course, robots won't take over all the jobs, but a lot of the jobs, of course, and it's already happening. So wait, there's more. Here we have trucks that have went to automation. Robots are actually driving trucks. You've also seen this with Lyft. Now we have police forces around the U.S. that are using robots to assist them with their positions as well. Now how crazy is that? Here you see waste management. This is definitely somebody's job. You just want to look out for yourself and for your family in the future. Learn a skill that's good to you. Have multiple streams of income. If you want to learn how to trade, come see us or get